Hi everyone, I'm Erica Yiping. Before introducing my critical inquiry, I would like to brief you about my major study topic, which is Deliverable Growth of Asian City, the future of human experience. The project aims to study the human experience in three categories of space: workplace, retail, and public space. By comparing the space urbanizing of selected sites and the existing experience index, the final outcome is to design a creative multifunctional hub and create a space strategy for future urban planning. To diversely and broad investigation, I am interested in the study of the experience economy. First of all, may I ask you a question? Any experience you've had that affected by the senses when you enter a space? Is this good or bad effects? When we walk along the street, it is not difficult to see the various displaying design of the retail store. It can be a LED digital screen that changes the product content day by day, or an experience roof of a fragrance shop for customers to try the product. In Hong Kong, such a rapidly developed competitive city, different experience design is needed for attracting people to enter or to stay in a place. So what is experience economy? According to the article, Welcome to the Experience Economy from Harvard Business Review, an experience occurs when a company intentionally uses service as the stage and goods as parts to engage individual customers in a way that creates a memory. This is also a movement that more and more popular in our modern city with the development and broad application of technology. The growth of the experience economy increases the need for more memorable experience, which is highly related to the human senses. Senses and integrated to experience. As a designer, we can create more immersive and valuable human interactions by enhancing different senses in our design. Then it comes to a question: what are senses? As most of us may know that we have 5 senses, which are taste, hearing, smell, touch, and visual. A sense is actually a mechanism that communicates the external stimuli to the human brain and thus creates a memory. The user's choice, value perception, and even emotion can be impacted through the senses design, and the multisensory stimuli of an object or space provide a rich and unique experience. This is related to how people interpret the meaning. To identify the research topics, some research questions are listed out, which may be related to the basic definition, the daily experience of target users, the application strategy of sense, or the way of enhancing the sensing experience in different space. These questions will lead me throughout the research journey. How can senses be applied to space design? In our daily life, there are many, but not just the retail space, but also the restaurant or public space. The Lee Tong Avenue is a very good example of activating a street in Hong Kong. There will hold different activities and events according to the seasonal festival, cooperating with local or international artists. It is now a very popular gathering place for young people. Another good example is the Jumbo Kingdom Flowing Restaurant, which is a historical building and people love to go there because of the travel wait. A viewer observation is very good practice as a broad exploration method to understand human activity. To start this, we need to define a list of experiential components and emotions to capture before the observation. Then a target roundtable focus group will help to narrow the research range by inviting a group of target audience with specific auditions for an interview. Some interactive exercise will be conducted during the interview in order to understand the interaction. After that, we need to define the problem and explore the opportunity before the creation of application strategy. After the previous slides, the topic for me to research can be rephrased to how can human experience enhance through the sense design. The research is not limited to the space application, but also the design of different disciplines. Thank you for your time.